Do you ever feel this way about finals week? Do you wish you could just break up with your finals and have them out of your life? Unfortunately, we can't break up with finals, but there are things you can do so that you can feel more in control during finals week. Which of these images best depicts finals week for you? Which of these images would you like to depict finals week? Finals week is a lot like a marathon. It requires a lot of preparation and exertion, but the end results can be so rewarding. The purpose of this video is to provide you with some tips to help you run the finals marathon and successfully make it to the finish line. Finals week can feel like there are not enough days in the week or hours in the day to get everything done. It can feel like time is ticking by so quickly. The first tip focuses on time management. The first thing you need to do is identify what tasks are set and what tasks are not. For example, times for your finals are set and non-negotiable. Finding time to study is set, but the time you set aside for studying is flexible. Once you have identified the tasks that are set, start identifying the flexible or negotiable tasks you need to do and prioritize them. Once they are prioritized, you can begin identifying times to complete everything by starting with the tasks that have the highest priority or the most immediate need. Keep in mind that you might need to be willing to eliminate or minimize some of the lower priority items. When and where you study can make a difference toward your productivity. Do you study best at night or the morning? Or is your best study time in the afternoon? Make use of your best study times and schedule your time so you can take advantage of those high-quality study times. When finding a place to study, try to avoid loud areas with distractions. Find a place where you can be comfortable and focus on what you are studying. Tip number 3 focuses on knowing what distracts you and minimizing it. What might distract you from successfully studying? Take some time to identify those distractions. Some distractions may be something that you do not have control over, such as family members who need your help. Others may be things that you can control, such as video games, social media, or reading a book. You cannot cut all distractions from your life, but you can minimize the distractions that you can control. Make sure you are completing what you need to get done each day prior to diving down the distraction hole. Try monitoring the time you spend on your distractions so they do not disturb you while you are studying. Tip number 4 focuses on practicing healthy habits. It's so easy during finals to take shortcuts and not take time to eat healthy. But it's important that no matter how busy you are, that you make sure you set aside time to eat a balanced diet. Try planning your meals out and doing preparation in advance. You could even make a healthy meal before finals start and store it in individual serving sizes so it's easy to eat. Choose to eat fruits and vegetables when you need a snack, and don't forget to stay hydrated. Carry a water bottle with you and remember to drink regularly. Studying until sunrise can sometimes feel like a badge of honor during finals, but you should try to avoid the all-nighter. One of the most important things you can do is get good sleep during finals. Keeping your body and mind rested will help you have the energy you need to complete the marathon. It may seem counterproductive to take time to take breaks during the day when you have so much to do, but giving yourself small breaks throughout the day helps to keep your mind fresh and will help you focus more. Identify different things you can do to take a break and make sure to schedule those for 5 to 10 minutes throughout the day. They could include power naps, breaks to play with an animal, exercise, watching a short video, or listening to music. What will be an effective brain break for you? Finals week is rigorous, but you can get through it and come out victorious. Just remember, it's about time. Manage your time and it won't manage you. Find your productive study time and location. Minimize distractions. Practice healthy habits such as eating healthy and getting sleep. And take brain breaks to give yourself a chance to recharge. Good luck on your finals and hang in there.